फुल डम शराब
One word. एक में one word, right?
ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम कास्टँग. आज आम्ही निघालो आहोत इटालियन रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये. इज कॉल्ड दी ऑर्चर्ड इटालियन रेस्टॉरंट. बार्टन इस्टेट्स म्हणून एक जागा आहे. काल आम्ही तिकडे वाईन घ्यायला गेलो. इट वॉज अ ब्युटिफुल प्लेस अँड वी सॉ दिस इटालियन रेस्टॉरंट. इट हॅड टू बी प्री बुक्ड. द मेन्यू सीम्स टू बी स्टनिंग. सो देयर नाउ. इट्स प्रिटी फिटिंग. खूप हवा आहे आणि मजबूत आहे, मजबूत, ॲज इफ यू आर इन अ चिलर राईट नाउ. सो दॅट्स द व्ह्यू, दॅट्स द कार and off to Orchard Italian restaurant. इकडचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला दाखवतो थोड्या वेळात. So this is the place that we have come for. Just parked the car and now I am on my way to this restaurant. It's so beautiful. Look at this estate. Stunning आहे, एकदम मजेदार. थोडासा पाऊस पडतोय. We didn't get the best of the weather this time around in the north. Though it's May, but we were not lucky with the weather. एवढा weather चांगला मिळाला नाही. Excited?
Yep.
Yes, ladies, excited. Very nice. We are settled as usual. Confusion. The ladies are having prosecco, and the boys are sorting out the menu. All right. So again, a massive order. Mazboot order ke liya hai. Ritu, what's your take?
I'm having salmon and scallops.
I'm vegetarian.
I've ordered for a steak Diane with tortellini filled with crab meat. So that's one of the specialities. What have you ordered? Steak Diane, I remember. Nisha, what have you ordered for? Scallops.
Scallops.
Ria, you've ordered for penne arrabbiata. Ninad, what have you ordered?
I have ordered scallops and veal.
What have you guys ordered? Nived. Gary, what have you ordered? Gary, what have you ordered?
I've ordered fettuccine.
Nia, what have you ordered for?
I've ordered spaghetti.
Oh, very good.
Fantastic place.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, I hit a guy.
What have you ordered?
I have ordered a veg risotto with artichoke sauce. Lots of veg.
Ooh, so that's the restaurant. I'm going to see you, Mr. Bean's car. I don't know, where are we? Oh, we're right there. That's our restaurant. All right, guys. So here we are. Fantastico. Solid. Hold on.
Business class.
Yes.
एक मोठा सेल्फी आहे इकडनं बाय.
फॅन्टॅस्टिक. आज एकदम मस्त मजेदार लंच चालू आहे. रॉयल लंच आहे एकदम. फॉर अ चेंज you've come to a very nice restaurant called the Orchard Italian Restaurant. भरपूर जेवण झालं, भरपूर ॲपेटायझर्स. टेबल एकदम फुल झालं आहे. 2 वाईनच्या बाटल्या, 2 बॉटल ऑफ prosecco, there's some cocktails here, a beer, and I am having this tea.
Toast is something that you say everybody has beverages.
अम्मा यार
Let's start.
Day 4 Gastang.
पेडिग्री मागो ना यार. पेडिग्री
You
मागो.
need to order for Pellegrino, which is the sparkling water, Italian sparkling water.
पादू काय करायची?
अरे नको
So
तो मागचा अजून पिंक होईल.
टॉयलेट मस्त आहे एकदम. मस्त आहे really.
किती वेळ जाऊन आलात ना तुम्ही?
मी एकदाच जाऊन मस्त पण मी टाकून आलो.
these are the fantastic boys. Boys Zone.
Shit, I gotta be embarrassed. झॉम्बी का आता तू झॉम्बी
टोस्ट चालू आहे टोस्ट बघूया ऐकूया काय चालू आहे
सबटायटल्स लागेल आपल्याला
Voilà, salute, salute.
Thank you to the guy at the gas station who showed you how to open a fucking seat.
Cheers, cheers. हे मस्त रील चालू आहे आता मुलींची आणि डिझास्टर वाट लावून टाकली सगळ्या रीलची. Alright, so day 5 and we are off to Leeds. Goodbye to this beautiful Airbnb. I would certainly recommend if anybody coming to Lake District can go for this wonderful Airbnb. The cars are ready, bags are packed, stuffed inside. All 3 cars. Mast maja aali. Sadly, the weather was not in our favor at all. So this is what it was throughout. It started raining and the rain has been the spoil sport. So unfortunately, tikade thoda sa problem zala. But now on the way to Leeds to meet Roy DeCosta, who was supposed to come here, but we decided to leave one day early, go back to London because London the weather is much better. But we had a wonderful time. Thank you so much, Beth, Sue, for this lovely hospitality. We had really a good time over here. Look at this beautiful place. Cheers, guys. All right, so all of us now ready to leave. Time up. Nice and chilly.
Oh,
Time to head home and taking a group picture. So we are finally at Roy's place in Hosford, which is close to Leeds.
1 minute, Azi, I'll cut it.
He's made some amazing curry, made some French fries, some appetizers which included mirchi, cheese, raspberry, French fries as well, and a lovely cake. Everyone sitting. Hello.
Having a good time.
Yes.
No, not mine.
एकदम मजेदार मस्त.
निशा
अभी डाला
Right here outside, this is how it looks. Beautiful, man. Sundar. So short walk to a garden next to Roy's house. Been here many times. Just very nostalgic feeling. And that's Peppa, and there's a doggy here. Nah. Hello. And that's how the field is. They're playing football. So coolio. Time to leave. We're leaving now. Off to Bistar. Beaster Village. Shopping time.
Lot of cuisine and there only ask them see.
So finally, North England ची trip संपलेली आहे. And now we are headed to London. We are taking the M1 motorway, which is one of the most scenic motorways. Weather is a little dodgy as usual. This trip the weather has not been in our favor. So we are all hoping कि London थोड़ा सा चांगला असेल. So let's hope for the best. Here we go. Coming to London, baby. Hello. So we are back on the motorway, and finally we can see a little better weather. Sun is slightly trying to sneak out. Mast ekdam dhamal. Planning to take a stop at Leicester North Services, which I think so is about 5-6 miles from here, for a coffee break. UK baby. Stunning. Right guys, so Leicester ला एक पिट स्टॉप मारून आम्ही आता लंडनला चाललोय. What a beautiful road. Sky is blue, baby. Finally, after 3 days, we see blue skies. 3 दिवसानंतर. Ladies are sleeping.
Now you called me?
Okay, guys. So good evening, good night. Finally, we reached Premier Inn. We're gonna stay here for one night, and from there, tomorrow morning, we'll be leaving for Central London. Drop our bags, then everyone is just gonna chill. Our check-in is at around 3 o'clock. So once we check in, then they have the whole evening free for us. Right now, enjoying a glass of beer. We're all jamming up in Abhi's room. And we're gonna have a few drinks, order for some food, and we'll call it a night, maybe an hour or two. Yeah.